Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Iwa Tran and I'm here in partnership with the Denture Unicorn YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock and add existing smile libraries available in your denture module for use in the partial module. So, if you're unsatisfied with the current available libraries in your partial module, whether because it's not your preferred brand or because it's just not a great match to a current complete denture smile library, this tutorial will help you get over this hurdle. So, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off in your 3Shape dental system control panel. We'll be working directly with the anatomy elements, specifically the smile libraries. In your smile libraries, we have all your possible tooth libraries available for use in either your denture module or your partial module. As you can see, this particular library, which is the Vita PhysioDent 02L, is only available in all cases except full dentures. So you would only be able to use this in your partial module. However, if you wanted to use another tooth library that is specifically for your full denture cases, for example, the Vivident SPE A66, this is only available to you in the denture module and not the partial module. How do we get this particular library to be unlocked and available for use in the partial module? For this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating the Vivident SPE Smile library. However, the steps for other libraries such as Finaris or other brands are the same. As you can see, this SR Vivident SPE A66 library only has the anteriors available. What I want to do is look for another library that has both the anteriors and posteriors available. I'm going to search for another SPE library. I'm going to go ahead and choose the SR Vivident SDCL SPE A26 A7 and 5 tooth library. Unfortunately, this library is only available in your denture module. So the way we unlock this for your partial module, and the easiest way possible, is to copy this smile library. It's going to prompt you for a library path. The current path is set to 3Shape custom smile libraries. So to be on the safe side, I will not be saving this new partial smile library in the same path as my current and original smile library. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. What I'm going to do instead is hit the Explore library. I'm going to backtrack into 3Shape Custom. We were just in the Smile Libraries folder, so that's not where I want to save this new Smile library for my partials. Instead, I'm going to choose a different folder. Today, I'll be saving it in the 2012 folder. And in my 2012 folder, I have two more folders labeled Crowns and Smile Libraries. I'll be saving in the Smile Libraries folder. I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder for this Smile library. I'm going to name it SPE A26, A7, and 5. I can now minimize out of this, and copy the SR Vivident SDCL SPE A26 A7 and 5 Smile library. Now it's going to prompt me again for a library path. I'm going to go ahead and search for that new folder I had just created in my 2012 folder. I'm going to go ahead and name this SPE A26 A7 and 5. Once I click OK, it's going to give me a warning telling me that I have teeth missing. Just click Yes. Because this is a copy of the original, which is only available in the denture module, only full denture cases is still selected. I'm going to click on the All Cases Except Full Dentures to be able to unlock this for my partial module. Once done, I will exit out. I've created a partial work order which has anterior and posterior teeth missing, but I've only selected the anterior teeth just so we are not bombarded with posterior teeth when looking for our newly added Vivident DCL SPE A26 A7 and 5 library. Lucky for me, I don't have to scroll very far as it's just right there. Okay guys, time for some bonus content. What else can we do to utilize what we've just learned? You can do more than just unlocking a specific tooth library that is meant for a denture module in the partial module. You can completely customize your denture module smile libraries. Let's say you're a huge fan of the SPE anterior teeth library, but you want to use a different posterior teeth library. Guess what? We can do that. Let me show you how. Okay, we're back into our smile libraries. I really like the Finalizing N5 posterior. What I'm going to do is hit the Explore library just so I can open up a file location for this. It's going to open up the location of where this lies. So let's just minimize this. Now I'm going to go on a 50-year search for a Vivident SPE upper, lower, and posterior library. For this example, I'm going to choose the SPE A66, A7, N5. Before I even copy this smile library, I'm going to go ahead and do some extra preparation ahead of time. So I'm going to click on Explore Library and back into my smile libraries. This time, I think I'll just save this new hybrid library into the same library as my selected A66, A7, and 5 is located. I'm going to go into New, Create Folder, and I'm going to give it a different name than everything else in this smile library. I've decided to name it SPE A66 A7 Finalizing L5. For ease of access, once it prompts me for a library path text, then I'm going to go and copy, paste in my library path what I just copied. I'm going to give this a unique name, which is going to help me distinguish between this library, this modified library, and all the other libraries that are in this library path. Once you click OK, you're going to get the same warning as you did before. Just click Yes. Now, because we want to use this in our denture module, I'm going to keep this only full dentures cases selected. Now let's modify this tooth library. I'm going to hit Edit Library Models. This is going to bring you into your 3Shape Scan It library. This is where we're going to modify our current smile library. As you can see, my modified A66, A7 Finalizing L5 is on the anterior of the upper just to see what the teeth look like. So they do look like my A66. So I'm going to leave that alone. What I'm going to do instead is click on my posterior teeth. What I want to do is right click and delete that. I want to replace that with my Finalizing posterior teeth. So remember when you opened up that file where you had your Finalizing teeth? Well, I'm going to go ahead and copy the address as text. I'm going to import teeth and paste that file location. And then I'm going to click OK. It brings you into this new window where your teeth are now replaced with the Finalizing teeth. So I'm going to do a check just to see if my teeth have been replaced with the Finalizing teeth, and it I'm just gonna hit OK, and in the next tab, I basically have this area here where I can modify what my teeth look like. What's really neat about this is that you can move the teeth in whatever way you want. So if it's not in an ideal setting, I can fix that in this. I can even sculpt the teeth if I wanted to. And I will actually just sculpt the teeth just so we can tell that we've actually created a new smile library to be used in our denture module. So I'm just going to give it some unique features. After you're done modifying your teeth, it's really easy. You just click OK, OK, next, 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 OK, until you're done. Now time for the lower. I'm just gonna click on the tooth arch that is on the top left corner. I will import my Finalizing teeth like I did for my upper. Again, we're going to click OK until we get into the compose. I'm going to modify the teeth just so they're a little janky. That way we'll be able to tell that this is actually our library that we've created. I'm double checking that I've selected only full dentures cases. Now, if you're wondering where this actual library will be located in your Smile library once you're in design, it's actually located where it's highlighted SR Vivident SPE Full Arch. If I click on the categories and scroll all the way down, it'll be highlighted for you. As you can see, our modified A66 A7 Finalizing L5 is there. Okay, let's exit out. The moment of truth. As you can see, it came out pretty hideously. But look at our janky teeth. Look guys, we did it. We created our modified tooth library. But of course, if you have the time and you can actually spend the time to arrange your teeth so that they're more in a ideal plane of occlusion, it probably wouldn't come out as badly as this. But let's carry on. I'm going to help you just have some nicer photos of teeth other than this black and white generic looking thing. And it's really easy to do. I'm going to go into my smile libraries and into the SR Vivident SPE A66 A7 N4 folder. In it, they actually have some PNG photos. I'm going to click on the maxillary copy, and I'm going to paste that into my SPE A66 A7 Veneris L5. You can do that with the Veneris lingual as well. You just have to locate the Veneris L5 library for those photos. Once you're done, you can exit out of this work order and hopefully it'll show up as an actual photo rather than this generic black and white that you see here. Everyone, that's it for today. Hopefully this tutorial was really helpful for you. Please like and comment if you have any questions or a suggestion for the next tutorial. And give the Denture Unicorn YouTube channel a follow as well. My name is Iwa Tran. I'll be seeing you guys around.